Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. Nothing is straight here. I'm going to be making barbecue chicken and all the fixings that go with it. I'm actually going to be making hush puppies, which I haven't done. I did a video on these a long time ago, so maybe I'll link it below. I'm going to do the chicken, I'm going to do corn, I'm going to do potato salad. Kind of like a barbecue thing going, but indoors. Since I actually don't have a Weber grill outside because I'm not allowed to have grills outside per the HOA, and also the guy who lives above and kitty corner from me is one of those people who just has to complain about everything and actually actively seek stuff out to complain about. So let's get to it. Thought I'd touch on this real quick. Got one egg. Now what I did is I googled what is that? Something came out of my egg. Doing this with Jiffy cornbread mix. Got the idea for cornbread because my buddy BC Gerbs had asked. I made chili and I said, "Hey, did you make cornbread?" And he said he didn't. And I said, "Oh man," which gave me a hankering for cornbread. So the recipe called for self-rising flour, but I actually don't have any self-rising flour. So I'm just going to use a bit of a heaping half teaspoon plus a little more baking baking powder, the good stuff, same stuff you put in bank. Now, I had a whisk. What do I do with it? I'll just use a spoon. Alright, this is really thick, so I'm going to add a little bit more buttermilk. It should be more like a batter, not necessarily super thick. Oh, that's about what I want. So I think that's about the consistency I want. Alright, let me get my chicken out and prepped. I've got chicken thighs here. So, I can use this knife. Just want to trim off some of this extra fat best I can. Careful if you do this. Alright, so I got my skillet going. So my plan is I'm gonna season these. Got a little slapping mama white. Salt. Not a lot of salt, just some. And my plan is I'm going to brown them on the skillet and then put them in the oven and then bake them up. So I can't use the salt because I got chicken all over my hands. So get these in. Chicken thighs, one of my favorite cuts of boyd. Guess it would have helped if I'd turned the oven on too. Give those chickens a flip. See where my oil is at. I think it's good to go. I've already made hush puppies before, but see that chicken nice and turned. Make sure you guys can see. He's looking pretty good. And they sure grew in size too. I don't remember them. Because that's just that baking powder I put in there. They really plumped up. So. Kind of keep turning them so they get even cooked. Although I'm noticing they like to roll completely over. Come on. Oh, my head. No, where'd I put it? Actually bought something new at the Asian market. I'm going to turn my chicken down. Sorry. Man, I'd love to get a bigger kitchen. I got this, this rack, or I got this handled fryer from Asian market. It's like $3.99. I was looking for something else, and I saw this on a shelf, and I thought, oh man, I have to get that. So, and those plumped up really nice. So, man, look at those. Yum! Alright. Damn it, I keep having to reach in front of the camera. My apologies. Alright, what I'm going to do is kill the heat on the burner because I want to put these in the oven. And where is it? So my barbecue sauce is just going to be Sweet Baby Ray's because that's just kind of what I had on hand. Even though Mark Kratch just did a video where he made his own homemade barbecue sauce and it looked awesome, but I also worked 14 hours yesterday, so being a little lazy, I admit it. So, get the sauce on these. And then get this whole pan right in the oven. It's only been about 5 minutes. Well, 6, 7. While I was doing other things. What I want to do is I want to pull these out because I want to flip them and resauce. Come on out. Man, I wish I had a grill. Outside, like Weber grill. Alright, I just gotta try one of these puppies. Oh man. Cooked all the way through. Crispy on the outside. Oh, those are money. Alright, chicken's pulled. Let's check the temperature so I don't get sick. Looks like we're good on temp. Sweet. Let's just wrap up and plate up and eat. Come on, camera, focus. There we go. So I'm doing sort of an indoor barbecue here, or cookout. So I got the barbecue chicken, hush puppies, corn on the cob, just because it's in season. And I got my potato salad, homemade. Because store-bought stuff just is never up to scratch for me. All right. I didn't want to juggle everything at the sink like I normally do. Oh yeah. Got a little too much mustard in my potato salad, but fortunately I like mustard, so. Oh yeah. And I'll try another hush puppy again. Oh man. Wow. Honestly, I don't know if I can go back to cornbread after this. Highly recommend you try that. Alright, well, I'm gonna eat. Catch you guys in a few. Alright, well, empty plate, of course. And that was really good. The I still got a bunch of these hush puppies left. I think I'm kind of ruined on cornbread because you get basically 360 crispy all the way around. Oh yeah, so good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check below in the end cards for links. Last week's video, playlist for cast iron Wednesday. And I've been linking a video for how I clean my cast iron, which I'm actually doing right now. So, thanks again for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.